Hello everyone. There's a big change today taking place in the Lowveld after a couple of very hot days in the area. Cooler and moist air is moving in thanks to a high pressure system ridging to the east of the country, and that's also bringing a few drops of rain to the area. Afternoon thunder showers returning to parts of the Highveld. Some of those thunderstorms could become quite strong, while over the western half of the country it's going to be a sunny and dry day. Along with the thunderstorms on the Highveld, there's also a watch in place for the potential of severe thunderstorms occurring over the areas indicated. That includes Gauteng, parts of southwestern Limpopo and into the northwest province. There could be large hail and some very strong winds in association with thunderstorms over that region. Here's our rainfall probability map, where we see that there are scattered thunderstorms developing in the area for today. Some of those thunderstorms onto the Mpumalanga Highveld as well, but east of that, only rain expected for the Lowveld and the escarpment areas, and the rain over northern and central KwaZulu-Natal will be mostly at first. Much of the day is expected to be dry in the area. Your northern parts of the country expecting a warm day, although we see much lower temperatures in the Lowveld. Bombela and Phalaborwa reaching a high of only 20 degrees, 19 for Ermelo with thick cloud, and temperatures also somewhat lower over the Highveld, including Gauteng. KwaZulu-Natal expecting a mild day, while it remains hot for most of the Free State, where it's going to be dry, and it's going to be a pleasantly warm afternoon for most of the Eastern Cape. Similar for Port Elizabeth and East London, both reaching a high of 24 degrees and much lighter winds returning to the area. Taking a look at the southern interior of the country, where it's going to be a hot day, sunshine pushing temperatures into the 30s for many places, and towards the coastline, typically mild over this area, although Muizenberg reaches a high of 27 degrees, and it will be gusty at times with an average wind speed of about 30 kilometers per hour. Another sunny and hot day for the Northern Cape, and things will be heating up near the western parts as well. Springbok, 34 degrees as your maximum for today. Fairly breezy along the west coast of the country. Cape Town averaging at 35 kilometers per hour, and you can expect low tide in Table Bay shortly after 3 o'clock this afternoon. Let's move ahead to your forecast for tomorrow, when the sunshine and warm weather continues over the western parts. Very hot in the Northern Cape, Uppington climbing to a high of 42 degrees, while there will still be a few thunder showers on the Highveld, including Bloemfontein. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your day of goodwill.